Yeah, thank you for taking my call or
Yeah.
my.
Yeah, long
I'm a
time
condition
caller,
here.
long time. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, I have a client going through probate. His dad, their dad passed away, and I referred him to a attorney, which they went to, and they liked her quite a bit. Which I've referred many people to her. But now it seems like she's not communicating with my client. It's not perfect. I was wondering how I would go about calling the attorney and what I would ask the attorney because I know it's a lot of confidentiality that goes on. What would you say to the attorney?
Yeah, I would just, when's the last time you had interaction with the attorney?
Oh, probably a good month, maybe month and a half.
Okay. And what's the relationship like? I mean, you've sent business to her, so, but
It's good. It's
good?
good. Yeah.
Okay. So I would talk and then say, "Hey, got something a tiny bit uncomfortable. Can I speak my mind really quickly?" And then that'll always get a yes. Or could I be direct? That'll always get a yes. Um, uh, Mr. and Mrs. Smith kind of had a minor complaint that they brought up to me, and I don't necessarily think it's a huge deal, but they mentioned that the communication and their knowledge of what was happening in the process was um, uh, a little bit lacking, and I think that they might need a little bit more communication on what's happening in the process. And if you'd rather fill me in on that, then that's totally fine. But I just thought I'd put that on your radar
Okay.
and see what she says. For all we know, well, you might know. For all I know, she's done everything that she normally does, and you just sent a client that is a little bit more needy than other clients.
Okay.
It could also be that she's got a lot going on in her life, and just putting it on the radar, she goes, "Ah, I've kind of been dropping the ball and can address that now." But that's how I would handle it. I would just ask for permission to kind of be direct or speak plainly, and then say, "Hey, this is something that was brought to my attention." Say, I don't think it's a huge deal on their end, but they did bring it up, and so I thought I'd bring it up to you in case you weren't aware.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great piece. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Perfect. Okay, Ron, thanks.